Well, hello everybody. My name is Daryl Kubilus and I'm the superintendent of Cloverleaf Local Schools. We're always trying to find new ways to reach out to our constituents when it regards information about our schools. And so we've come up with a new concept and we're going to do some videos for you. And I have some ways to communicate with you visually, and we thought we'd try that. We're going to call it Colt Hard Facts. And the facts is FAQ, frequently asked questions. And those frequently asked questions are going to focus on educational topics of importance or relevance to our residents.
Hi, I'm Levi Grimm, and I'm in 9th grade. What exactly is a mill?
I'm often asked, what is a mill? Especially when you're in levy season. I think people associate mills or millage with school levies because we hear it all the time. So I thought what I'd do today is I want to show you exactly what a mill is and how it's calculated. Then, if you like, you can calculate millage for your own house. So, to get started with answering this question, what is a mill? Quite simply, a mill is a unit of measurement equivalent to 1/1000th. Now, that's a hard concept, 1/1000th. We don't usually think in those types of terms. So when I talk to people about what millage represents, I do it like this. I say a mill is 1/10 of 1% of the, and this is critical, assessed value of your house. The Medina County Auditor's website also calls this the taxable value of your house. So let's look a little further into 1/10 of 1% of the assessed value of your house. So we take 1/10, that's 0.1, we multiply it times 1%, that's 0.01 of the assessed or taxable value of your house. So we multiply 0.1 times 0.01 and we get 0.001 times the taxable value. Okay, so let's look at how we calculate the taxable value of a $100,000 house. What many people don't know is that you are not taxed on the entire $100,000 of the house. You're taxed on 35% of the value of your house. So we are going to multiply this number times 0.35, which stands for 35%, and the taxable value of a $100,000 house is $35,000. So let's go back a page, and we'll do that right here. So we've got 0.001 times 35,000. So we multiply 35,000 times 0.001, and the amount of 1 mil on a $100,000 house is $35. All right, as we just said, 1 mil on a $100,000 house is $35. That's what the school district gets for every 1 mil. However, you are not taxed that $35. What people don't often understand is that there is a rollback, or what I would call a discount. And that discount for a non-owner occupied or an agricultural property is 10%. If you own your house and you occupy your house, that discount is 12.5%. So how are we going to calculate that 12.5% discount? Well, we subtract 12.5% from 1 minus 0.125. Oh, that didn't show up too well. And the result is 0.875. So let's take our 35 and multiply that times 0.875, and that equals $30.63. So if you are an owner occupant of your house and your house is worth $100,000, it costs you $30.63 per mil. Now, if we were going to calculate that for a Cloverleaf levy, our next levy is 7.9 mills. You would take this and you would multiply it simply times 7.9, and the total for that would be $241.98. Of course, you can divide that by 12 and figure out how much it would cost you per month, or you could divide it by 365 and figure out how much it would cost you per day. We've already showed you how to calculate a mill for your property, and I think it's important that people understand how the numbers derived. But there is a great resource here in our own county. It's the Medina County Auditor's website, and you can click on it by going to www.medinacountyauditor.org. This is the website. You click on calculators, and then it takes you down here. You can go to New Millage Estimator. Let's use our former example, property value. Let's do $100,000 house. Let's go to 1 mill. And then don't forget to click owner occupied so you get that discount. Click submit, and as you can see, a $100,000 house charged at 1 mill is $15.31 a half. You multiply that times 2, that's $30.62. Of course, we round it up to $30.63. That's how you calculate a mill. Thank you.